Everyone is talking about XRP in 2026. Some people believe XRP could completely transform global finance. Others believe it's just another crypto project surrounded by too much hype. But here is the important question. Beyond the excitement, what is the real story behind XRP? Because in the world of digital assets, attention does not always equal value. Today, let's separate the fact from the expectations. I want you to imagine two companies competing to change how money moves around the world. One company spends billions building roads, but people are still asking, are these roads actually being used? The same question applies to blockchain. The technology can sound impressive, but the real test is who is using it? What problem does it solve? And is adoption actually happening? This is where XRP becomes interesting. XRP, we all know, is a digital asset connected to the XRP ledger, a blockchain designed for fast transactions and moving value across borders. The idea behind XRP is different from many cryptocurrencies that focuses mainly on being a store of value. Of course, XRP supports often highlight its potential role in improving international payments by making transfers faster and more efficient. But we also need to understand something very important. Technology does not automatically guarantee a successful investment. That's the point. A project can have good technology, a strong community, partnerships, and a clear vision, but long-term success depends on real-world usage. I always talk about this. Continuous development and actual demand. Now, think about the internet. When the internet started, many people focused only on websites. But the real winners of the game were the people who understood what could be built on top of it. The same principle applies to blockchain. The question is not only how high can XRP price go? A better question is what role can this technology realistically play in the future of finance? Now, this does not mean XRP is guaranteed to succeed. There are still important things investors should watch. And what are these things? Is adoption growing? Are real? Businesses using the technology? Is the ecosystem developing? And does market demand support the expectations people have? These are the questions that separate research from speculation. The biggest mistake many people make in crypto is falling in love with a story before understanding the fundamentals. Every investment decision should start with knowledge, not emotion, because the future belongs to people who understand technology, not just people who chase trends. No. Now, this video is not about telling you to buy XRP or telling you to ignore it. The goal is to learn how to think before making decisions in this fast-changing digital world, because every cryptocurrency has a story. But behind every story, we need to look for evidence. In my next video, we are going to take a deeper journey into XRP. We will examine the technology, the theme, the purpose, the adoption, the opportunities, and the risks. Together, we will ask one question, important question. Does XRP truly deserve serious attention? And how should we position ourselves based on what we discover? Remember, in crypto, excitement can create attention, but knowledge creates better decisions.